Dear friends, good morning. I'm Jitendra Kumar, ex-banker, director, national convener of PCCI. आज मैं आप सबके बीच प्रोग्रेसिव काउंसिल ऑफ कॉमर्स इंडस्ट्री, that is the PCCI, एज ए चैम्बर ऑफ कॉमर्स एंड फॉर एंटरप्रेन्योर्स के बारे में डिटेल में आप सबके बीच चर्चा करने आया हूँ। PCCI एक चैम्बर ऑफ कॉमर्स है जो 25 अगस्त 2025 को सेक्शन 8 कंपनी के रूप में कार्य कर रहा है। इसके चेयरमैन श्री भगवान गवई सर, रेनाउंड बिजनेसमैन फ्रॉम मुंबई, एंड वाइस चेयरमैन श्री सुंदरपाल जी, एक्स चीफ इंजीनियर BSNL, and the president of Progressive Business Alliance and Progressive Business Welfare Society, that is PBWS, or including 7 other directors. PCCI building a strong chamber of commerce for entrepreneurial growth. It is made for with the vision of PCCI is to build PCCI as a national chamber of commerce to empower entrepreneurs, MSME and startups, to act as a bridge between the government and businesses men, to promote inclusive growth. Why the entrepreneurs matter? Because the importance of entrepreneurship, that is the job creator, not job seekers, driver innovation and economic growth, strengthen local and national economy, and reduce employment. Now we can say the entrepreneurship is not an option, it is a necessity. In this connection, the India MSME power, it shows that MSME is a backbone of India, wherein 7.47 crore MSME operating in India, 32.8 crores employment generation is there, 31% contribution to GDP, 48% contribution to export. The MSME are the second largest employer after agriculture. Now we go to the startup ecosystem in India. As the rise of the startups, 1.59 lakh startup recognized in our country. Strong growth across sectors, IT, healthcare and agri-tech. That is the major job creation engine. India is becoming a global startup hubs. In this connection, the government support for entrepreneurs. Heading the policy support, we can say the Startups India, Make in India, Startup India, MSME schemes. Data is per given 33 lakhs crores loan under Mudra loan Yojana sanctioned by the banks. 52 crores loan sanctioned to the entrepreneurs. Government support as a strong but awareness gap exists. That we can say the challenge is faced by the entrepreneurs. That is the ground reality. The lack of awareness schemes, limited access to the finance, weak networking ecosystem, skill and mentorship gap, and regulatory challenges. Need for reform in the credit access to the young entrepreneurs. Now it goes to the role of PCCI in this connection. PCCI is the change maker. That is the bridge between government and entrepreneurs, promote policy awareness, provide business networking platforms, support startup mentoring and incubations, facilitate financial linkage. It goes to the state level, that is meant for action plan for the state presidents at the state level strategy. That is the monthly business meetings to be conducted, government scheme awareness programs, district level expansion, collaboration with banks and institutions, startup mentoring ecosystem. Strong states will build a strong PCCI. Economic opportunity ahead. Growth opportunity. MSME contribute 35% manufacture output. India moving towards 5 trillion economy. Huge scope for labor entrepreneurship growth. The role of the state president of the PCCI, be the leader, not just position holder, build strong local networks. Drive real impact of grassroots level. You are the driver of the economic transactions. Now the PCCI commitments, build a strong chamber of commerce, empower of entrepreneurs, create employment, strengthen India economy, strengthen India economy. Now we can say that together we build business, together we build the nations. Thank you very much. Jitendra Kumar.